Flower. Flowers may have a long or a short stalk called pedicel. One end of the pedicel is attached to the stem. The other end of the pedicel is expanded and swollen. It is called the receptacle. Petals and other parts of the flower are supported on the receptacle. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are different parts of a flower. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. First whorl of flower. Students, this stalk-like structure is called pedicel. This pedicel, its one end is attached to stem here and the other end is attached to calyx. This part of flower is called calyx. This calyx is made of small leaf-like structure. They are called sepals. When the flower it is in bud condition, that time all the whorls inside the flower, they are protected by these green color sepals, or you can say calyx. Second whorl of flower. Students, this is second colorful part of flower which is called corolla. This corolla, it is made of small colorful parts. They are called petals. As this part is colorful, it attracts the insects for pollination. You can observe various flowers like rose, chrysanthemum, hibiscus, mogra, kaner, tagar, etc. Third whorl of flower. Students, this is third whorl or part of flower which is called androecium. This whorl is the male reproductive part of flower. It consists of stamen. This part is called stamen. This stamen is made of anther and filament. This part of flower is called anther. And it is attached with filament. Fourth whorl of flower. Students, this is the fourth and the innermost part of flower which is called gynoecium. This is female reproductive part of flower. This part, it's made up of carpels. And each carpel, it consists of stigma. This part is called stigma. Style. And ovary. Due to pollination, ovules in the ovary get fertilized. Fertilized ovules form the seeds and ovary develops into a fruit. Vertical section of a hibiscus flower. Student, this is hibiscus flower. You can see this is pedicel. This green part is calyx. When the flower is in bud condition, that time this calyx protects all the inner whorls of flowers. This pink color petals, this part is corolla, which attracts insects for pollination. This part of flower is androecium. This is male reproductive part of flower. This innermost part of flower is gynoecium, which is female reproductive part of flower. Students, we are going to dissect the flower. This is petal. This is part of calyx. which is called sepal. Students, take a vertical section of a hibiscus flower with the help of sharp blade by cutting the flower vertically from stigma to pedicel. Both the sections of flower will be seen here. After maturity, this anther bursts and the pollen grain release. This pollen grain shift to stigma of flower. When they shift to stigma of flower, it travels inside and comes over here in the ovary. This is ovary. You can see over here yellow color ovules are there inside the ovary. After fertilization here, these ovules, they get converted into seeds and then it develops into fruit. Fruit. We eat many different types of fruits. Each type of fruit has its own characteristics. There are variations in their shape, color, taste, etc. Mango contains only one seed, whereas jackfruit consists of many small fruitlets, each with its own seed. Observe the fruits of pear, mango, chiku, apple, etc. What do you observe? Each fruit has a different skin or shell, fleshy part and seed. In case of fruits like cashew, its seed is outside the fruit. Try this. Soak the seeds of pea, wheat, rice, jowar, groundnut in water for 3 to 4 hours. Press the seeds with your fingers and observe them. Which seeds get divided into two equal parts? Seeds which get divided into two equal parts are called dicotyledonous seeds. Seeds which do not divide into two equal parts are called monocotyledonous seeds.